Okay, I'm here with Matt. We're at Brickfire Tavern, new location in Kaimuki. Can you tell me a little bit about it, Matt?
Sure, yeah, so thanks for joining us, Albert. We're here on Waialae Avenue. We're on 9th and Waialae, 3447 Waialae Avenue. Brickfire Tavern, we're same great pizza, new location. So what we've done is we've brought over a Stefano for our oven. We've kind of tried to make the elements very similar to our Chinatown previous location, but it is a bigger space. We have twice the square footage, so what we're able to do is offer a little bit better service during COVID. With social distancing, we're able to have the seats we need to service our guests without the fear of kind of crowding anyone in. Our Chinatown location with the social distancing had, I believe, 4 tables total, that included on the counter. So it really wasn't sustainable. So this space, we're very fortunate to have twice the square footage and able to kind of accommodate more guests. Brought in the same oven, same great pizza, same great menus, the focus, but we do have a kitchen now, so we're able to do a hotline. We're going to be working on pastas, and we're going to be working on different hot appetizers and eventually some proteins. So we are trying to round the experience, but still same focus on pizza Neapolitan.
All right, so how can people find Brickfire Tavern? Give me the address.
Yeah, so we're located on Waialae Avenue, 9th and Waialae in the Kaimuki neighborhood in Honolulu. We're 3447 Waialae Avenue, Honolulu 96816. Reservations, menu, takeout, everything's available at www.brickfiretavern.com. And yeah, menus are updated on the website. All of our information is there. Yeah, we look forward to serving you some great pizza. Pizza Napolitana specifically.
All right, thanks. Thank you so much, Matt.
Thank
Take
you.
care.
Aloha.
We'll see you soon.
Thank you. Ciao.